By. Today is November 30th, and I'm loading data for the MLB. The MLB would be Major League Baseball for 2025. So over on the right-hand side, you see my data here in my personal calendar. It could be a business or personal calendar. And you look at the data analysis over here. I have 48 events loaded so far for the season. I got 2,500 to load. And I'll show you how fast this is just in manual mode. And then we have a batch mode. I'm using the manual load part of the video series to show you how easy it is. So the last data load I did was the game here, 3:30:25. And so if you look at that, that was this one here up in the picker. That was this game here, 3:30:25, Mariners versus the Oakland Athletics. So now I'm coming into the game loading portion for the 31st, Monday. So I'm going to start here. All I'm going to do is go into the edit mode of my calendar. And when I go into edit mode of the calendar, it's acting a little slow for some reason. I'm going to use the create command there. It's auto-loaded. And the create command allows me to auto-load events into the calendar snack engine. So I'm just going to hit save. I'm going to hit the send button. And that sends the data to our processing engine, and that processing engine ingests this data into the calendar snack engine. So I'm going to go a little faster here, as fast as I can go. I'm going to go back up to the 31st, and there we are there. I am just going to use the create command again, and use the create command there. I hit save and keep rocking. So that'll be the second one. And you can see I can pick up steam here in the visualizer using Google Calendar, just because of how slick the Google Calendar interface is. We use the Google and Outlook calendar interfaces for lots of reasons. The predominant reason is they spend hundreds of millions or billions of dollars with these calendar engines, and there's no need for us to recreate one. So that's why I use that as the create, read, update, and delete engine or CRUD engine for data to be ingested into AWS. So as you see here, as I go through this mechanical process, it's really simple and effective and fast. So there we go. That is the fourth one in. And I'm just going to proceed here and a couple more and then shut down the demo. You'll see how easy it is to fire up the create command, hit save, and then that data is ingested over here on the left-hand side of my panel into the calendar snack engine. Now, when I drill down here, you'll see that I have the green bar here kind of as a weight or measure to kind of give me an understanding where we're at in the process. That's all built into the Google Calendar client interface. So as I rock through these, you'll see this data show up. So let me just count them out to give you a good idea. So that was the last one there, Miami Marlins. So I just ingested, I believe, how many events? Let me just count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I started off over here at 48. I had not refreshed my screen. When I refresh it, it's going to hit the AWS dashboard into AWS S3, the bucket, as they say, and then DynamoDB, and pull these out here in our GUID interface. So there you go. So I added 6. 6 plus the 48 gave us 54. And if I go down the step counter here and look, that is the Miami Marlins there for 3:31. I'll go down here, and there's the Marlins here. That was the last one I ingested. So that's the end of the demo. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out today.